Hello everyone, today let's solve the problem number 25. Reverse nodes and K group. This is very simple question, man. So what's the question state here? What is the question state here? Here in this case, given the head of the linked list, so we have been given the head of the linked list, this one input they are speaking of, right? So given the head of the linked list, so we have to reverse the nodes and groups of size K. We have to reverse the nodes and groups of size K. So here K we have been given to for every two numbers we need to reverse. So here I'm speaking in this way. So I'm just trying to say that we need to reverse every two numbers we find here. So first we have to reverse this one, 2 1. We'll be swapping 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. Then here we'll be swapping 4 to 3, 3 to 4. So here at the end we have only one number left, right? So but K we have been given 2. At that case we don't have anything to reverse. We'll just keep this as it is, right? So this will be 2 1, uh 2 1, 3 4 and 5, right? The output will be 2 1 4 3, sorry, yeah, 4 3 and 5, right? So this is fine. So given the head of the linked list, we have to reverse the nodes in the group of size K. Only change the node links, not the values. Should modify the we should modify node values in place, right? So they have given that itself. Only change the node links, not the values. And if nodes left are less than K, leave them as it is. So that's what I said, right? In simple terms. So we have to return the head of the modified linked list. So we need to return the head of the modified linked list. Again, we'll be making use of the dummy node for this. First thing I want to tell you here is this is the list problem, right? Linked list problem. So we'll be making use of the this one, what do we call the operations that are provided, the operations that are there for the linked list that is provided by the Java. So basically we'll be making use of the operations of the linked list. And also uh, yeah, that's it. So the approach will be the operations of the linked list, right? So and one more thing, we'll be making use of the dummy node, and most of the problems consist of the dummy node, just to simplify for the edge cases, right? Before going to the approach part, let's do one thing. Let's discuss the example 2 as well. Means let's consider this one as the approach basically. So here in this case we have 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 5, right? So here K we have been given 3, K we have been given 3. So here first 3 we need to reverse this one, 1 2 3. So here the numbers will the numbers that are left are 2 basically. The count of the numbers or the values that is left is 2 here in this case. This is less than K, this is less than K. K we have been given 3, so we will keep this one as it is and we will reverse this one. This will be 3 2 1 4 5, right? First when we reverse this one, we will get first three numbers, we'll get 3 first, 2 second, 1 next, right? 4 5, this is less than K, means 2, we have two values which is less than 3 here. In this case we'll keep the numbers as it is. This will be 4 and 5. This will be 3 2 1 4 5, 3 2 1 4 5, right? I hope this part is completely clear, man. I hope this part is completely clear. We have 3 2 1 4 5. We have 3 2 1 4 5, right? So now we are done with this. We are done with this, right? So we are done with the approach, uh, and we also know that we'll be making use of the linked list operations for this, right? So let's start writing the code. Let's start writing the code. So the first step here would be, let's make use of the dummy node, as I've said, just to simplify the edge cases, like example for example, changing the head of the list. These things we can do when we make use of the dummy node. So I'll just write it here. This one will be list node dummy equals new list node of, initially dummy will set this one to the 0th index, right? 0. So dummy dot next will be head, right? So dummy dot next will be head. Let's assign this one to head. This is fine. So now let's move on with the further steps. Nothing but we will go with a variable name, previous group end. So previous group end should always point to the node before the current group, right? So we know this one from the question. So we have already discussed the approach, right? So this one will be list node previous group and we have to reverse based on the k, right? We have to reverse the numbers based on the node values based on the k. So this, let's point to the dummy initially. So this is fine. Let's go with the while loop. So while of boolean value true means we have the value, then we have to find the kth node from the previous group, and so I'll just go with here the variable name kth. So this one will be get mm, kth node. This will be group previous group end comma k, previous group end comma k. So if it is less than if less than k nodes remain, then we are done. Means we are done, right? So we just have to display the same numbers. So here in this case, in the second example, we were k equals 3. So these three, first three we reversed accordingly with the question. So here we were left with two numbers. So in this case we have to break, we have to display the numbers as it is. We don't have to swap, or we don't have to reverse the numbers, right? So here in this case we have to write the code for that same thing. So here I can write in this way: if kth equals null, if kth equals null, then in that case we will return we have to break, we have to make use of the break. So because we'll be stopping there itself, we'll just return the numbers as it is if it is less than k, right? So next let's go with the two variables, nothing but the group start and next group start. So I'll just go with list node group start. Let me assign this one to the previous group, and this one, where did previous group and go? This one, let me copy paste here, dot next. And also let's assign the next group start to kth dot next. So this one, let me copy the same thing here, sorry, let me copy the same thing here. This one will be, instead of next, this will be next group start. So let me assign this one to kth dot next. This is fine. So let me come out of this one entirely. The next step is we have to reverse the current group. We have to reverse the current group, meaning here I'll just go with list node previous. This one will be kth dot next, and also here list node current. This one will be group start, group start. This is fine. So let's write the simple while loop here. Current not equal to next group start. This one we have to consider, right? So if it is not equal to next group start, then um, we have to reverse, right? For reversing, so let's consider the temporary variable equals. We have already written the code for we have already solved the question reverse the linked list. Same thing we'll be doing here based on the k. That's it. The only difference is based on the k we are doing it, and other values which are left, which is less than k, which is less than the value k, we'll keep the numbers or the this one node values as it is. Right now we are reversing the values based on the k, right? So here I'll just go with current dot next here, and so current dot next here, this would be entirely, this would be, we have to assign this one to previous to current, finally current to temp. We are just reversing the linked list here. Current equals temp. This is fine. By this time you have to know, because this is the last problem of the linked list, and we have solved first problem itself was to reverse the linked list, right? So that's what this is based on the k. That is the reason we have considered this one k next here and group start. Don't get confused here. This one we have considered, right? So for the first one, these steps, this is just the initialization part, and we made sure that if the other numbers, so see here in the second example 4 and 5, if the numbers is less than k, for the next iteration, so then what we have to do, we shouldn't this one, what do we call, we shouldn't reverse that one. We have to keep numbers, those numbers as it is, right? So that's what, for that first we wrote the code, then we are writing for the reversing the numbers. So Then we have to connect the previous group to the newly reversed group, right? So after reversing, we have to connect the previous group to the newly reversed group. So I can write it in this way. Here, previous group, and where I have considered this one. Yeah, this one. Let me copy this one and paste it over here. Let me assign this one to the k. This is fine. And the next step is, let's go with the previous group, and same thing. This one will be previous group and dot next. So after reversing 1 2 3 here, 3 2 1 we reverse, right? Next we have to go to the, again we have to check whether we have k elements or not. Whether, again we have to check whether we have k elements or not. In this case it fails, but we have to check, right, for the other test cases. So here in this case, let me go with previous group n equals group start. So we have to start with 4 right? Next, so here I can just give here group start. Where is group start? This one. Let me paste it over here. This is fine. So the final step here would be, just give me a second, just give me a second, man. Here, so here we have to return the head, or nothing but the dummy dot next, right? Dummy dot next is nothing but head. We have considered the dummy, and we have initialized that one to the zeroth node, zeroth index basically, or zeroth node. So now for the first node, we have to go with the first node, nothing but the head. Dummy, we just consider the dummy node for simplifying the edge case, right? So here, simplification of the edge case. Let's go with, or let's return dummy dot next here. Dummy dot next here. This is fine. We are done with the code. We are done with the code. Next step is, we will be going with the this one. I have made use of the get kth node somewhere, man. So here, this one you can clearly see. I have made use of the get kth node. So I didn't realize that we are making use of the get kth node. So we are going with the helper function get kth node, or the helper method here. Get kth node. So let's write the code for that. So I completely forgot this one. So I'll just write it now. So this is just the utility to get the kth node from the start. So I'll just go with the private list node here. Get kth node here. Get kth node. So this one will be list node start, and this will be int k. This will be int k. So let's go with the while loop here. Start not equal to null. Start not equal to null. And here, when k greater than 0, when k greater than 0, start equals, let's assign this one to the start dot next. And also let's decrement the k. Let's decrement the k. And finally, let's return start. We're just making, this is just the helper function or the utility to get the kth node from the start. So this is simple, man. You don't have to worry much about this one, right? So this is fine. We are done with the coding part. Let me format the code once and let me hit the run button. Kth node means here two we have to consider. For this one, we have to consider 3 nodes at a time, right? So we have some error here. List node cannot be converted to the boolean if kth equals null. Where? Line number 10. So what's wrong here? So here we have went with while true. Mm, oh yeah, we have to go with a boolean this one. Double equals, right? Comparing. Sorry. Yeah, now we have 2 errors left. Where is it? Incompatible types. List node cannot be converted to the list. So this one here, current dot next. Current, we have considered list node current here. List line number 19, right? So we have current dot next. What is the problem here? I don't understand. Incompatible types. So we have the correct types itself, right? List node current dot next. Just give me a second here. So here, yeah, this is saying incompatible types, right? So instead of the list node, I have given list, right? So that is the reason it is saying list node cannot be converted to the list. So I'm searching what I have done wrong. So this is fine. So let me hit the run button now. I have changed the list from list node. I mean, I have changed the list node from list, this one, sorry. And now you can clearly see the sample test cases are getting passed, right? So let me hit the submit button quickly. So you can clearly see here all the test cases are getting passed, means the code works absolutely correct in this case, right? So I hope the solution part is completely clear along with the approach and the complexities. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.